think that only works because they're superheroes. Regular people cannot walk on walls. People can, but some animals can, like bugs and even some frogs. Yeah, but how do you? Why? Tiny hands and a tiny glue on their feet. That helps them stick to walls. And grasshoppers do too.
Layla, how are you? You sweet girl. You're a sweet little baby. Yeah? Hi. Dooley, leave her alone. Come on, baby girl. Look, she's putting her knees up under her. Come on, honey. Come on. You want to crawl so bad, don't you? Good girl. You got to do your arms at the same time. Come on, baby. Oh. Dooley ding. She loves her doo-doo. She loves her boo. We can get the dog instead. Get the doggy. Aww. Good girl. You trying? You're trying, aren't you? You want to crawl so bad. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Can you talk to you, mommy? You've been known as Chatty Cathy today. Boop, boop, boop. Woo. Hi. Is the lighting okay? You feel better? You feel okay? Hey, what did you do?
I'm
going to show them what you got her.
What I got her.
Yeah. Can you see it okay?
I put it down a little bit. No, like angle it down. That's good.
Oh, this is not a good angle. Very positive.
That's your best angle.
No, it's not. Don't do what I think you're doing. Hey, girlfriend. Hey. Yay. Yay, good Good girl. Good girl. Hey, honey. Hey, you happy? Are you happy? Yeah. And then there's Dooley. Hey, buddy. Dooley, don't look so sad. Dooley, I love you. We'll go outside and play? Yeah, that's all I have to say is play or outside, and he gets all happy. Hey, you want to go outside and play? Huh? Yeah. Hey, Dooley, where's your ball? Oh, here's all the Christmas presents under the tree. I don't know if I ever showed this to anyone. The front door and the window. Anyway, I made this. This was when she was 3 months and younger. Oops. There, that last one, it's hard to tell what it is. Hey, honey. Here, Dooley's tail. Hey, honey. You want to play, don't you? What's in here? Oh, it's your ball and the vacuum cleaner. Get the ball, Dooley. Get it, buddy. Good boy. Want to play? Okay, we'll go play. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey, girl. Here. Is that your Dooley over there? Huh? I love you. Love you. You're sitting up like a space girl. Look at you. You can get so excited you fall over. Dooley's gotta be right there, huh? Yeah. Dooley came and gave you kisses earlier when you were mad, didn't he? He loves you. You're gonna fall. Careful. Are you happy? Yeah? Yeah. You're happy. You excited about Christmas? What's this over here, sweetie? Hey. Look, he sits up like you do. But he falls over. Antlers are too. She's like, what? What is there?